Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Lara Puente, and I work over at Wilson School with Mrs. Gunther and Mrs. Wyka. Today we're going to continue on talking about geometry, and I'm going to talk to you about lines. There are three types of lines we're going to talk about today, and the first one is called parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that are the same distance apart and never meet. I'm going to show you with my two pens here. Here are an example of parallel lines. Here's another example of parallel lines. And here's a third example of parallel lines. These lines are not touching and will never meet no matter how far they go. My second line we're going to talk about are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are lines that cross or meet. Here with my pens is an example of intersecting lines. Here is an example of an intersecting line. And here is an example of an intersecting line. Although they're not touching yet, if they keep going, their paths will cross. Finally, we have a special kind of intersecting line, and these are called perpendicular lines. Perpendicular are special because they form a right angle when they intersect. For example, with my pen, is like the letter T, or like the letter L. These lines intersect and create right angles to each other. Now we're going to play a little game or have a little practice. I have three sets of lines here. Look at this first set. Would you say this is parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular? I'm going to give you a second. If you said perpendicular, then you are correct. Now take a look at this set of lines. Again, take a second. If you said intersecting, you are correct. Now, they are not touching yet, but if we were to continue drawing this line, they would cross paths. Finally, we have this last set of lines here. Take a second. And if you said parallel lines, then once again, you are correct. You're going to have a worksheet to do, practicing the three types of lines: parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular. And when you finish your worksheet and you're walking around your house today, look up for lines and see if you can guess. Are they parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular? Thank you guys and have a great day.